winter storm warning remains in effect until 10 a.m. EST Monday. What? Heavy snow. Total snow accumulations of 7 to 13 inches. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio. When? Until 10 a.m. EST Monday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult at times due to slippery road conditions and poor visibility. The hazardous conditions will impact the Monday morning commute. Additional details. Snow overspreads the region tonight and peaks in intensity during the day Sunday. The snow will gradually taper off late Sunday night into Monday. Sub-zero wind chills are expected tonight into Sunday morning, and again Sunday night into Monday morning. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.